Hello everyone, DIY enthusiasts and craft lovers. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an essential companion for all your assembly and fastening projects. The Stanley TRE650 Electric Nailer. Buckle up because this nailer is going to revolutionize the way you work. Click the link in the description to learn more about its unique features. See the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours right now. Whether you're a passionate DIYer looking for efficiency and versatility or a demanding professional wanting to optimize your assembly work, the Stanley Electric Nailer is the perfect tool for your needs. Transform your projects into success effortlessly with this powerful and safe ally. Imagine accomplishing your assembly work with astonishing ease. That's exactly what the Stanley Electric Nailer offers you. A professional tool designed to meet the most demanding needs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this nailer is going to impress you. And guess what? You can own it right now with just one click in the description. From the very first moments, you can feel the professional quality of this nailer. It allows you to efficiently carry out all your assembly and fastening work on a variety of materials, providing exceptional versatility. You can fasten plywood, MDF, carry out repair work, work with wood, install and repair fences, and even insulate. Versatility at its peak. Safety and practicality are at the heart of this nailer's design. Equipped with a safety switch, you can transport and store your tool with complete peace of mind. Its anti-jamming mechanism and viewing window make changing nails quick and safe. A true guarantee of trust for all your projects. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of reviews, customers testifying to its impressive quality, and to order yours at the best price right now. Compatibility is another major advantage of this nailer. It can accommodate 5 different nail sizes, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 32 mm for high-quality fastening. Thanks to its power adjustment feature, you have complete control over the striking force suited to the material you're fastening. True versatility in your hands. Ergonomics are also on point with a nail handle. Ergonomic, providing optimal comfort for extended use. The anti-marking nose prevents damage to the stone, ensuring a perfect finish every time. A tool that takes care of your comfort and the quality of your work. Since 1843, Stanley has been synonymous with excellence and innovation. As a leader in the industry, Stanley works tirelessly to provide tools that become professional benchmarks. The TRE650 Electric Nailer is the perfect example of this. It saves you time and energy with its exceptional power and versatility. And the best part is that you can own it right now, at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You'll also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your projects come to life with efficiency. Thanks to its power adjustment feature, adjusted to the striking force based on the material being fastened. Compatible with 5 nail sizes, it adapts to all situations. Changing nails becomes a breeze thanks to its anti-jamming system and viewing window. And safety is not to be overlooked. The safety trigger allows you to transport and store the nailer with complete peace of mind. With a 1.4 med cable, you get optimal freedom of movement. Don't miss the chance to get this revolutionary tool at an exclusive price. Click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more about its features, and check out the thousands of reviews. Satisfied customers. Let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1, exceptional versatility, compatible with 5 nail sizes that adapt to various materials. Advantage number 2, power control, power adjustment to tailor the striking force based on the material. Advantage number 3, safety switch, anti-jamming mechanism, and viewing window for secure loading. Advantage number 4, ergonomic design, ergonomic handle, providing optimal comfort and grip. Advantage number 5, perfect finish, born anti-marking to avoid damaging the pieces being fastened. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, at 2.8 kilo, it can be relatively heavy during a prolonged usage session. Disadvantage number 2, electric usage. It requires an electrical power source, which can limit its use in places far from outlets. To recap, the Stanley Electric Lathe offers professional quality, unmatched safety, exceptional versatility, all in an ergonomic design. Don't miss the opportunity to simplify your assembly and fastening tasks. Order now and turn your projects into success. Brilliant! The link is in the description. Thank you for listening and see you soon.